Assalamualaikum. Hello, I'm Sabrina Shaun. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So, if you have already read the description of my channel, you noticed that I will upload various kind of videos here like arts and crafts, educational series, traveling videos, even of my daily life also. This is my first video here and I'm gonna start with a learning or educational video. So today's video is about a video of Tinkercad series, that is LED Blink with Arduino in Tinkercad circuits. For this, we will have to do this experiment with an Arduino and LED where we will learn how the basic programming takes place in Tinkercad circuits to on or off the LED for 1 second. So let's get started. So at the very first, we have to just log into our Tinkercad account. I hope that you all have already created your account. Now we have to just click on the circuit here in the very left side because all you can see, this is the 3D design. Okay, circuits. Now you will see that here is a name, here is a block sign that is create new circuit. You just have to click here. After clicking, you will be able to do a new project here. So now we have to give a name to our project here. You can see there is a name Smooth Craft Album. So this is this was from before. So we have to just give our name, suppose LED blinking. Okay, this is our project name. So now we will select the components from this section. So at the very first, we will have to select the Arduino from here. Just drag it here, and after that we will have to select a resistor and an LED. So we all know that in Arduino there are two sections. One is digital section and another is analog section, and here is a power section. Okay, we just want to make our LED for on for 1 second and off for 1 second, and this will be happen repeatedly. You know the digital side deals with only two states, that is either it's on or off, or in programming language high or low. So if we simply do an experiment in just two states, that is in high or low, or to on or off anything, then we have to, or we can use the digital section. And here in LED, we all know that the shorter leg is the negative side of the LED, which is called cathode, and another one is positive, and that is called anode. And here this is the resistor. We all know what is resistor, so we have to just keep these things to our or to connect with this Arduino Uno board. Okay, just drag it here, drag the resistor here. Now the cathode 1, that means the negative side or negative negative leg will be connected to the ground section of the Arduino Uno board by a wiring. And the another one, that means anode 1 positive side, will be connected to the resistor here with the wire. And the another side of the another terminal of the resistor will be connected to any one of the pin of Arduino. Now we can change the color of this I mean LED. It's red here now at present. You can choose green, yellow, orange, blue, anything you want to just select. Okay, let's take the orange color. And the where coloring is a little bit important to just notify this positive or negative side. Okay, this where will be in, that's black color for positive, and this will be for, this where will be suppose red color for positive. So black is for negative and red is for positive. Now we have to set the resistor here. So suppose it's 220 and this will ohm. Okay, now this one is done. Now we come to our code section. Okay, here are in block section there are three types of blocks here. That means blocks plus text and text. So we choose the blocks here. That means we will do our programming in block section, and the previous one will be drag and drop to the trash box. We just delete it. Now we all know that LED is an output device, so we choose the output section here, and after that choose the second block, that is set pin. Just drag and drop here. Set pin means we have to set the pin number here to which our LED is connected with the Arduino board through the resistor. That means we have connected the resistor with LED with 9 number pin. So we have to set this to 9. And as we want to make our LED at the very first time on, so we have to keep this high. We have here two options here, high and low, so we just select the high. Okay, now control panel. Now control. Okay, here we just drag and drop the weight section here. That means one, here is one. We can select anyone, is anyone from this. So 1 means the light will be remain on for 1 second. Okay, again we go to the output, and like the very first time we just drag and drop the set pin here. Again we set it into 9, and now it will be low because we want to just off the LED for 1 second. So for 1 second, that means we have to set the time here. Okay, so done. Let's check this program by start simulation. Look, it's on for 1 second and off for another 1 second. Okay, just stop the simulation. Now again come to the code section. So if anyone want to just do this programming by texting or using text, then you can see here this has already been created by our block section. So here void setup and void loop are always there in Arduino coding. We all know that. Then time will be counted in Arduino. Time will be counted. Okay, let's talk about later. So pin modes, that is 9, then output. That means here pin mode is connected with the 9 number pin, and LED is in output mode. So we have to just in block later we have to just write this down. That means output, not input. Then comes a loop, void loop. As we know that it will be happened repeatedly, so we have to use this void loop here. Then digital write. Why we take this digital write? Because we have just used this digital section of Arduino Uno board, and now at the very first time we wanted to just lighten the LED. That means to on the LED. For this we have to just write down this high word here with 9 number pin here. So delay, that means how much time will the LED will be on. That means 1000, but why 1000? We took the 1 second. So in Arduino, time will be counted in Arduino programming as millisecond. That means 1 second is equal to 1000 milliseconds. That's why it's 1000 is written here. Then again digital write 9, then low, because second time we want to just off the LED, and again delay 1000, that means millisecond. So again start simulation. Okay, see, on for 1 second and off for another 1 second. So this was all about the LED blinking, or LED blink. So I hope you guys have already understood here. I'll understood this, and if you have any question or if you have any suggestion to me, as I'm a new YouTuber, so you can just comment here. Here is the comment section open for all. So this is all for today. Thank you.